China doesn't have any restrictive or discriminatory measures for Indian products and services, the Chinese Ministry of Commerce said on Thursday, urging India to implement a consensus reached by leaders from both sides to promote regional development. China's media mouthpiece Global Times reported an estimated loss of around 45,600 crores to the Chinese company ByteDance, the parent company of banned Chinese apps TikTok and Hello. UAE has adopted a new form of punishment to those who violate COVID-19 rule violators. Apart from levying a fine of 2,000 dirhams to 10,000 dirhams, the names, photos, fine and penalty details are being published for public to notice. Unauthorized public gatherings not wearing masks attract the name and shaming punishment. From the 1st of September, the hospitals of Dubai will have to adhere to diagnosis-related group method of billing system. In order to curb the hospitals overcharging and denying longer hospitalization, Dubai Health Authority has come up with this new billing system. The automated system determines the cost and number of days of hospitalization required for a patient based on the vital parameters input made by the doctors in the system. The cost is then computed by the system and billed automatically. The United States reported 55,220 new coronavirus cases Thursday, surpassing Wednesday's record of 52,789, previously the largest single-day total since the start of the pandemic. Till now, 131,485 people have died due to the pandemic. In a total change of tone, American President Trump said, "I'm all for masks." When asked whether he would wear one, the president said, "If I were in a tight situation with people, I would absolutely." He added that people have seen him wearing one before. Mr. Trump said he would have no problem with wearing a mask publicly and that he sort of liked how he looked with one on his face. The new national security law imposed in Hong Kong by China curbs the democratic voices of the state. Anyone who raises voice against China shall be liable to severe punishments. This has once again led to protests in the China administrated region. In the wake of the ambiguous and strict law changes, the world has started voicing its objection to the new legislation. British, US and India has voiced their dissent strongly to this law. In the wake of the new legislation, British has opened the gates of citizenship for the Hong Kong citizens by issuing passport. US Congress has passed a resolution rebuking the new law and India has triggered the issue in UN Assembly. This clearly indicated that the world is totally upset by the illegitimate behavior of China. A trial to see whether dogs can detect coronavirus is going very well according to the charity behind it. 6 dogs are being trained by medical detection dogs in Milton Keynes. Claire Guest, the charity's co-founder and chief executive, said the dogs were already showing signs that they would be able to sniff out the virus. She has previously trained dogs to spot the scent of malaria, cancer and Parkinson's disease. COVID-19 impact has destabilized the United States completely. Amidst that, President Donald Trump is facing criticisms for conducting a rally for upcoming presidential elections. Now, like adding fuel to that, President Trump has decided to celebrate Independence Day tomorrow in a grandiose manner along with fireworks at Rushmore, Washington, D.C., where 7,500 people are allowed to participate. Sources reveal that over 125,000 people have applied to receive the tickets. North Korean leader Kim Jong-un has praised what he described as shining success in curbing the novel coronavirus pandemic. North Korea has shut its borders since January 31st. It's next to impossible to know the reality and hence viewers doubt the truth in the statement given by him.